This is a demo of a web application that uses source-side confidence estimation for reliable translation into unfamiliar languages. In our example, we assume that the user is not familiar with the target language, which in this case is German. To get started, I'll simply enter a sentence in the input field to be translated from English. So as we can see, a few words here are highlighted. These words indicate potential mistranslations with uncertainty scores below an acceptable threshold. So I'll go ahead and click on the first one here, blooming, and we'll see some suggestions that the user can pick from. In this case, blossoming and flowering are good alternatives, so I'll choose the first one, and we'll redo the translation. Now we can see that something about the translation changed, but we don't exactly know what. What we do know is that this new word blossoming was highlighted again. So I'll go ahead and click on it. In this case, none of the suggestions are particularly good, so we'll simply enter our own. You might say the opening of the country's first cherry blossoms, so I'll enter opening, and we'll redo the translation. And now the highlight disappears. And indeed, the model did use the correct word for opening in this context. Now we also have cherry blossoms highlighted, but this is actually translated correctly in this German sentence. So just because some words are highlighted doesn't necessarily mean they're mistranslated, just that the model did not have high confidence in its ability to translate them. Now, if we want to edit the original sentence or simply start over and translate a new sentence, we can click on this locked icon, and now the text box is editable, and we can change it. So if we need instructions on how to use the web app, we can come up to where it says Interactive Translator with the information icon and expand this box, and there we have the instructions. So there's also a mobile layout available. If I open responsive design mode here, you could see what this would look like on an iPhone 15 Pro. And we could scroll through the instructions again. And this, of course, can be installed as a progressive web app.